Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Today we're going to go pick up a rather unique vehicle. It's a 1969 Ford Club Wagon van. It's a two-tone van. It's blue on the top, white on the bottom. And you may remember it from an earlier episode with the 76 Firebird Formula. It was actually sitting right in front of the Formula. We had to move it out to get the Formula out. So anyway, today we're going to go pick that van up. We're going to bring it home. Hopefully we can get it home safely and see if we can get it up and running. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to go talk with Keith about his 1969 Ford van. It's been in his family a long time, and it's an estates type thing, so we're going to see about selling this van for him. It's a really clean van. It's been in New Mexico its whole life. It's got New Mexico tags on it. It'll be an interesting sell because I literally could not find one van like it. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. Ed and I are off today going to take a look at a 69 Ford van and a 76 Firebird. You can kind of see the van off in the distance there. As soon as Keith, the current owner of these vehicles, gets here, we will take a look at them. Alright, we're inside the fence now. Ed on the right, Keith on the left. Keith's the owner of the vehicles. We're going to take a look at them and see what we think.
That's ridiculous to think there's that much garbage out there.
Yeah.
But I guess we don't know. They know. Right? They
somebody does.
Yeah.
I'll build one if I can find a place.
Yeah.
I'll be back in a couple minutes. Sorry about that. Yeah, he took 4 kids all over everywhere.
Here's the inside of the 69 van.
He had a fuel tank.
So probably 149.
I'm sure it is. But it's not 249 for sure.
Did it come with the curtains?
No, he put those in, or his dad, or I think he did. He put them in.
It's nice that you were able to keep it under cover.
Yeah, it's been inside really for the most part, which kept the interior in it. This is one of those deals where my brother-in-law, the oldest brother-in-law, thought he wanted it, and my father-in-law either wanted him or I to have it. And so he's the son, so he gets first choice. He's like, yeah, I think I'll do that.
All right, everyone, this is Keith. His family has owned this van for how long?
Since it was new.
Since it was new.
Drove it off the lot.
Drove it off the lot. Where did they buy it? In what state?
Abilene, Texas.
Abilene, Texas. All right. So this was your grandfather's van?
It was my wife's granddad.
Wife's granddad. Okay.
He bought it new.
So you used to go on family trips in this?
I've been on a couple, but before I was in the family, they made a lot of them. They went everywhere.
Yeah. Well, that's awesome. So he passed away recently, and so now it's time to get it out of the estate so it can all be set.
Exactly. It's time to find somebody who wants one.
All right. Well, we'll see what we can do.
Awesome.
We'll see if we can get it sold.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. Now let's go push it out. I got her loaded up. Let's head back to the shop and see if it starts. Alright, we got the van back to up and running here today. We had some storms come through last night, so the creek is a little bit more like a river today. Still a little overcast and blustery today, but we're going to go ahead and get this thing unloaded. Alright guys, sorry it might be a little breezy today. Let's take a look at this van that I picked up yesterday and I'm going to try to get running and driving. An estate actually has this. It's a one owner. The gentleman that bought it new just passed away. So we need to get it running and see if we can't sell it. So let's take a look at it. I haven't even looked at it really close yet, so we'll both take a look at it together. This thing is super clean though. Yeah, a little Type F. We'll be able to use that. Sorry it's a little dark, it's parked in the shade. Look at these seats. I mean, this thing's in amazing condition. It's got AC. Look at that, you open the door and the step comes out. Let me see if I can catch that for you. Needs to be lubricated a little bit. These seats don't even look like they were ever sat in. And I know in talking to Keith, they used to take it on family trips. It's got all 4 original hubcaps on it. Anyone need an old heater? Probably works yet. I might check that out. Don't know if you can see it, but it says 4,921. So I'm sure it's rolled over. Got 104 on it. Wow, the steering wheel's not even cracked in here. This thing had to have been kept in a garage the whole time. Just a little bit of cracking in the dash over there. I think that's it. Let's pop the hood and take a look in there. Trying to see if there's some kind of rod that holds the hood up. Kind of looks like everything's going to have to get done from the inside. Front bumper's perfect. The windshield's not even broken. Alright, I guess we'll dig into this and see if we can't get it up and running. Alright guys, this is one of Ed's trucks. It's a 79 Chevy pickup. It was dripping gas real bad. You can see it down there on the floor. And it's a truck that had been sitting a little bit, and I just took a look at this to figure out what was going on with it. And this is a piece of fuel line that was in it. It's kind of, you may not be able to see them on camera, but there's a lot of cracks in it. But what the real problem was is that this fuel line was 5/16, and when I got a new piece of 5/16 and put it on down there on the fuel pump, it was too loose. So I found a piece of 1/4 inch, and that fit a lot better. So that's what was really supposed to be on there, was 1/4 inch. So I put it on, tightened it up, no more drips, so we're good to go. Another truck up and running. This truck's actually a really nice truck. It's basically 100% rust free. There's really not any rust showing on this. Apologize, it's kind of dark today in here. So anyway, another one up and running. Something else I'll tell you about these trucks that's very important. Almost all of these have a bent hood, and if you look, this one's very straight. And the way to keep from bending the hood on these trucks is you push straight back on the hood when you close it. So in other words, don't pull straight down, push back, and then they go nice and smooth, so that way you won't bend the hood. You can see that one's beautiful. Alright, that's going to do it for today's episode of Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time as we continue to work on the '69 Ford Club Wagon van. Alright, that'll that'll do it for this episode of. That'll do it for this episode of Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time as we continue to work on the Club Wagon van. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell